Let's make a bird decoupage card. You will need bird decoupage, glue, a corner rounder, washi tape, gemstones, foam squares, a blank card and some blank backing card. Keep watching for singing. Take 2 pieces of backing card. One is smaller than the other. Round the corners with a corner rounder and put the smallest one on top of the largest one. Then stick the first piece of decoupage on with glue. All the other pieces get built up using the foam squares until you have done all the layers. Then you need to take your blank greetings card, place it on your work surface. Get 2 reels of washi tape and make strips on the side of your card. Next, add your decoupage topper followed by some gemstones. Here comes the singing.